In this video, let me show you how to get your Test and Live Stripe API keys from your Stripe account. To get started, go to stripe.com, click on Dashboard and log in if prompted. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen, click on Developers, then select API keys. Here, you'll see two main types of keys. The secret key is your live key and should be kept confidential. Never expose it in client-side code or public repositories because it grants full access to your accounts. The publishable key is safe to use in client-side code, such as for tokenizing payment information. You also see test keys in this section, which are used in development environments to stimulate payments without real transactions. When you click on a key, it will be copied to your clipboard. For live secret keys, keep in mind that they're only shown once upon creation. Make sure to store them securely because you won't be able to view them again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.